Hi guys, today will be a slightly different video because today I'm going to feature Ma'am Herlet's Succulent. Ma'am Herlet, I mentioned her in one of my unboxing video. I buy succulent from her. She is a succulent grower and seller. Here is her Facebook account and some of the reviews she got from her other buyers. She packs the succulents very well. She's from Baguio and she delivers it by LBC or van. I had a feeling you said wow when you saw this photo because, well, I did. I was so amazed when I saw it. As you can see, Ma'am Herlet's succulents are very healthy and colorful. If you place an order, she will deliver exactly the same succulent. Trust me, if it's red, then it's red. If it's pink, slightly blue, then it's slightly blue. You'll receive it exactly as the photo shown. It's really amazing to see all these succulents and wonder how were they able to grow this succulent? How were they able to take care of it so well? So in order to buy, you just have to place an order in her Facebook account and you can easily talk to her. She's very friendly.